10 dietitian-approved gestational diabetes breakfast ideas. Struggling with what to eat for breakfast after a gestational diabetes diagnosis? You're not alone, and you're not out of options. Here are 10 satisfying, blood sugar stabilizing breakfast ideas that are both delicious and safe for GDM. Each option below includes calories, carbs, and protein breakdown to help you stay in your target range. These meals are easy to prepare, taste amazing, and keep you full without spiking blood sugar. 1. Eggs, toast and strawberries. Calories: 350 carbs, 44 g protein, 24 g. Scrambled eggs paired with 100% whole wheat toast and half a cup strawberries offer a balanced meal. Eggs provide high-quality protein, which is crucial for blood sugar regulation during pregnancy. Whole grains like whole wheat toast have a low glycemic index, aiding in stable blood glucose levels. Strawberries add fiber and antioxidants, contributing to overall health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2018 highlighted that whole grains improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes in pregnant women. 2. Egg and cheese burrito. Calories: 510 carbs, 34 g protein, 28 g. A high-fiber tortilla filled with scrambled eggs, avocado, cheese, and optional black beans creates a nutrient-dense breakfast. The combination of protein and healthy fats helps in maintaining satiety and stable blood sugar levels. Research published in Diabetes Care in 2019 found that meals rich in protein and fiber can improve postprandial glucose control in individuals with gestational diabetes. 3. Veggie frittata plus whole wheat bagel. Calories: 512 carbs, 37 g protein, 31 g. A vegetable frittata paired with a whole wheat bagel and a cup of skim milk provides a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and calcium. Calcium intake is essential during pregnancy, and studies suggest it may play a role in glucose metabolism. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2017, indicated that adequate calcium intake is associated with improved insulin sensitivity in pregnant women. 4. Quinoa egg cups plus toast. Calories: 316 carbs, 42 g protein, 20 g. Quinoa egg cups are a convenient, high-protein option that can be prepared in advance. Quinoa is a whole grain with a low glycemic index, making it suitable for blood sugar management. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition, 2020, found that whole grains like quinoa can improve glycemic control in individuals with gestational diabetes. 5. Cottage cheese, egg and avocado toast. Calories: 470 carbs, 31 g protein, 27 g. Combining cottage cheese, an egg, and avocado on whole wheat toast offers a meal rich in protein and healthy fats. Cottage cheese is a good source of calcium and protein, while avocado provides monounsaturated fats that can improve insulin sensitivity. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, 2018, highlighted that monounsaturated fats can enhance insulin sensitivity in pregnant women. 6. Cottage cheese toast with honey and milk. Calories: 300 carbs, 30 g protein, 30 g. Whipped cottage cheese on whole wheat toast with a drizzle of honey and a cup of skim milk provides a balanced intake of protein, calcium, and carbohydrates. The addition of honey offers a natural sweetener, and milk contributes to calcium intake. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2016, found that dairy intake during pregnancy is associated with improved glucose metabolism. 7. High-protein pancakes plus yogurt. Calories: 300 carbs, 45 g protein, 20 g. High-protein pancakes made from whole grains, topped with Greek yogurt, offer a satisfying breakfast option. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and probiotics, which may support gut health and improve insulin sensitivity. A meta-analysis published in European Journal of Nutrition, 2023, concluded that probiotic yogurt consumption is associated with reduced risk of gestational diabetes and improved fasting plasma glucose levels. 8. Greek yogurt parfait. Calories: 320 carbs, 40 g protein, 19 g. A parfait made with Greek yogurt, sliced banana, chopped walnuts, and ground flax seeds provides a combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Flax seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. A study in the Journal of Nutrition, 2019, found that omega-3 fatty acids can improve insulin sensitivity in pregnant women. 9. Cottage cheese smoothie, dark cherry. Calories: 360 carbs, 30 g protein, 35 g. A smoothie made with cottage cheese, dark cherries, and protein powder offers a high-protein, antioxidant-rich breakfast option. Cherries are rich in anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2017, indicated that anthocyanins can enhance insulin sensitivity in pregnant women. 10. Peanut butter overnight oats. Calories: 420 carbs, 38 g protein, 27 g. Overnight oats made with steel-cut oats, peanut butter, Greek yogurt, and almond milk provide a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Oats contain beta-glucan. Overnight oats made with steel-cut oats, peanut butter, Greek yogurt, and almond milk offer a convenient, high-protein breakfast. Steel-cut oats have a lower glycemic index compared to instant oats, aiding in blood sugar control. Peanut butter and Greek yogurt provide protein and healthy fats. Scientific insights on managing gestational diabetes. Carbohydrate quality. Opting for complex carbohydrates with a low glycemic index, such as whole grains and legumes, can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. These foods are digested more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in glucose. Protein intake. Incorporating adequate protein at each meal supports fetal growth and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Protein-rich foods include lean meats, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources like tofu and legumes. Healthy fats, including sources of healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please share with friends on social media and subscribe to this channel by hitting the bell icon and choosing all options.